Keyword argument 3, keyword argument 4. Here how many? 1, 2, 3. What did you understand? Here how many keyword arguments? Here how many? 3. This is called what? Function called 2. This is it matching or not matching? What is an error is coming? Unexpected argument. Unexpected argument. Because SNO, what is here? Is it matching or mismatching? Mismatching. Parvin, follow ma. Otherwise you will say, sir, explain once again you will say. SNO is different, ENO is different. You will get error. You see, my dear student, here I am going to say, it is trying to match with function call number 1. Error is coming ma. You see that error here. Display info got an unexpected argument called SNO. SNO. Function call number 2. Definitely, is it matching with the function definition 1? What should I do now? Tell me, how many keyword arguments here? Is it matching here or not? This is how many keyword arguments? So is it necessary to define them? Not necessary. Necessary or not necessary? Necessary. Please tell me. Display info. Display info. SNO comma, SName comma, marks. Marks. I will print the data. I will print the data here. I am writing here SNO, SName. And next is what? Marks I am writing. Marks I am writing. Here I am going to say like this. Here I am going to say like this. Curly brace, curly brace, curly brace. 3 curly braces are there like this I wrote. Function definition 2. Function definition 2. Don't say wrong answer, my dear student. Already you know the subject. Now take care. Now started here. How many function definitions on the same name? 2. 2. Line number 3 is there. Line number 6 is there. Will this program will execute or not? Will it execute or not? No. It won't execute. Do you know the reason? Yes, sir. Very good. Come on. Why it won't execute? PVM remember only latest function only. Line number 6. Line number 3 is there. Line number 6 is there. PVM will remember line number 3 na, line number 6 line number, because PVM remember only one function definition at a time, because it has what? Same name. Same name. Suppose if you take display number 1, display number 2, you take care ma. Display number 1, display number 2, you take care and see the execution. We got the answer for both of them. But in the case of different things are there, that time you are getting. Once again I am repeating. Line number 3, line number 6. During the scanning time, it remember only the latest function definition. It forgets the previous function definition, right? It comes to this place. When it comes to line number 10, what is the function it is remembering? Line number 6 definition, line number 3 definition, line number 6 definition. Display info 1, ENO, E-name, Parvin, salary designation. Is it going to line number 3 or line number 6? Is it going to be error or not? Yes, this is called unexpected or not. So you get the error. You will get the error. See, my dear student, got an error or not? Display info, of course. I will say this. You remember, student, you will get the error. Like unexpected argument, like that error will come. See, display info got an unexpected keyword called what? ENO. Are you getting, my students? So ENO got unexpected things. So then how to do? Next I will write one more, student. I will write it. One more you see. Carefully understand. Teacher number and T name I am taking. T name I am taking. Something like this I am writing. I am writing something like an experience here. I am writing something like the value called something like this. And next is called what? Place is equal to what I am writing. HYD I am writing. And next like this I am writing. So sub is equal to what? Sub is equal to subject is equal to Python. Python I am writing, for example. How many keyword arguments are there, ma? 5 are there. Here how many are there? 4 are there. Here how many are there? What to do with this? Is it this is called another function call or not? This is called a function call number 3. For this also I need to define one more or not? Yes, how I will define? You see guys, all of you see. What is this now? TNO, T name, and next is called what? EXP, experience, and next is called what? Place, and next is what? Yes, subject I am writing. Subject I am writing. Function definition 3. I will write it here. Backslash T I am writing. So what is this now? TNO I am writing. Next is called T name. Next is called what? EXP. Next I am writing what? Place I am writing. Next is what? Subject I am writing. How many I am writing? 5. 5 things printed or not? Now see, careful, each and everything you try to follow. Now execute once. Which one is remembering? Line number 3 na, line number 6 na, line number 9 na? Line number? Very good. Execute it and see that it is getting unexpected ENO. If I keep a comment for this, error is coming for line number 14. SNO is unexpected. SNO is unexpected or not? Next, keep a comment for this line number 14 also. You execute, getting the answer or not? Now tell me, my dear students, how many functions calls I am having? 3 function calls. Same type or different type? So here we are having what? Having family of what? Family of what? Similar function calls. Family of what? Similar function calls with variable keyword arguments. What is that? What is meant by variable? Changing. How many keyword variable arguments here? 4. How many here? 3. How many here? 5. 4, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, like that. We are having so many varieties of keyword variable length arguments. Once again, 4 keyword variable length, 3 keyword variable length, and then 5 keyword variable length. This is just the spell out as what? Variable, keyword length arguments. Or you can write keyword variable length arguments also you can call it. You can say keyword variable length arguments also we can call. Is it understandable? First of all, are you okay? So first of all, the terminology is important. Keyword variable length arguments. So here I am writing 1 place 3 are there. 3 are there. Next place what is there? First place 4 are there. Next is called 3 are there. Next is called what? 5. These are all called variable length or not? Yes. So how do you deal this kind of things? How do you deal this kind of things? One more I will write it. What is this now? Display info. T1 is equal to 10, or I can write A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. What is that? How many variable length? 2. Next I will write it. Display info. M is equal to 100. This is called one more. How many keyword arguments? Next one more I will write it. Display info. Nothing is there. Are you able to follow? Display info is there. Nothing is there. Here are 2 keyword arguments. Only one and nothing is there. Is it not called function call 3, function call 4 and all? Yes. Come on to the point back. Here I am going to say these many number of things are there. It is looking like yesterday's class, previous class. Variable length arguments you remember. Something like that it is looking. How I will define this? I want to go for it. It is 6. How many family of similar function calls? But how many I am having here? 3. So if I am going for that, I will define one more. One more I will define, students. Take care. I will define, let me define it and I will show you here. I am writing what now? A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. I am writing here what you know? A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. Are you able to follow? Here why? Okay, only 2 na? Only 2. Function call number 4. Function definition number 4. Two things I am printing. Next I am going to take one more thing. What is the next one? Is called what? M. M. If you practice last class example, today no difficulty at all. If you did not practice, if you come only to the class, it is, you can see stars from now. Next I will write what here? It is called 5. I am not taking anything at all. It is called 6. And I am writing here, not taking any arguments. Not taking any keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. Not taking any keyword arguments. How many calls I am having? 6. 6 calls I am having. How many things I am having here? 6 definitions I am having. 6 definitions I am having. Are you able to follow? So this you remove it. This is called what? Two things are there. You try to execute last and final. It remember which one only? Last one. Line number 18. You are having line number 3, line number 6, line number 9, line number 12, line number 15, line number 18 only we have. Execute it. See students, PY, example is coming. Got an unexpected value called what? ENO. ENO. This will execute only for the last only. Only for the last and final I am showing. Error SNO. Error SNO. Keep a comment for that. Error again. What is that? TNO. Keep a error. A error. Next, keep a comment for that. Next, M error. M error. Yes, M error here. Yes, next I am going for answer is called what? Not taking any keyword arguments. Easy or difficult? Easy. Sir, how to deal with this then? How to deal with this then? Now I am going to introduce the solution. First of all, you understand the normal? Now, to do this program will not execute as it is. This program will not execute as it is. You know, because I already wrote the reason. Because PVM is the interpreter, it remember only what? Latest function only, it can't remember everything. So to execute it, I already told you in the last session some solution for you students. Do you remember the solution? What is the solution? Very good. Function definition, function calling. Function definition, function calling. You see ma. Now I am writing. Good. So you take this, cut it and immediately define. So that I am asking PVM. PVM I defined call it. So that it is calling. Definition 2, because you are not able to, because you are a child students now, I am giving some line also. Why line? Because you will get tension first of all. Confusion will come. That's why I am giving the lines for your better understanding purpose. Okay? Lines I am giving. So because you will come to the class without practicing. Without practicing you will come. That's my problem. So not only you, generally students who don't have the much taste in the career, they will just so coming to this area, I am writing like this. Are you able to follow? SNO. Next one I will take it. Next one I will take it. This type of thing. So I will catch this point and I am writing. So here I am writing function call, function definition. Under this area, you call it once again, this part you take it. Here I am writing. So, Johar, good. So coming to the point of it, one more time, I will take this, go to this place, see students, taking here, see my dear students, Milrose Dixon, following me. So, number 6, Milrose Dixon, are you following? So, coming to the point of it, example2.py. This is called what? So, coming to the point of it. Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Milrose Dixon is following. Very nice. Keep it up. Now coming to the point of save this. Shall I execute now? Will this program will execute or not? Yes, will execute. Because defining calling. defining calling. Execute guys, py, 2.py. Got it? 3 argument, 4 arguments, 3 arguments, 5 arguments, 2 arguments, 1 argument, no arguments, no arguments. What is this concept says? Defining calling, defining calling, defining calling. Is it not my waste of time? Suppose if we have what? 100 function calls are there. 100 function calls. Which function calls? Family of what? Yes, family of similar function calls. Family of similar function calls. That time how many definitions I would write it? 100. Is it not waste of time? So we need to define with a normal programming. We need to define what? 100 function definitions. It is called what? Waste of time. Lot of time is taking to define. We don't want this procedure. We don't want this procedure. And this type of procedure and this type of procedure, this type of procedure of normal programming, this type of procedure is not recommended. Then what is the recommended? Last class also we have seen that is the only variable length. Today, keyword variable length. Keyword variable length. First of all, are you understanding keyword? Key comma value pair. Variable length means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 like that. So that's why they named as what? Keyword variable length. So how many definitions are there? 6. Is it not my waste of time? I want to go for what? One definition for family of similar function calls. So I'll go to my program students, I'll copy students, I'll go to. Now I'm going to come to the point. This place, and before that I will write, I wrote a word called this program will not execute, I wrote. This program will execute as it is. Why? Definition calling, like that I just wrote it. Now today's mechanism is, I am going to write it. This program will execute. Now I am going to say, tell me, pure keyword variable length arguments example 1. How many definitions I am going to write? 1. I am not going to write these many students. I am not going to write these many. So I will just remove this area. Now I want to make it as easy. How many family of function calls are there? 6. Maybe 100 calls are there. Similar type. How many definitions? 1. How can I able to write only 1? Because of the mechanism called what? Keyword variable length arguments. Tell me guys. DEF display info. Earlier I wrote single star or not? Single star I wrote it. Today I will write a double star students. Double star I am writing. Double star sir, why you are writing double star? Simple sir. For holding ENO, for holding E-name, for holding cell, for holding DST, I will use 1 star. For holding values, another star I will use. For holding another star I will use. So star star param is called what type you know? Dict type. Which type? Dict type. Star single star param is known as which type? Double type. Double star param is called which type? Why it is dict type? It is holding key comma value pairs. All our keyword variable length arguments are stored in double star param in the form of key comma value pair. Key comma value pair. Now see students, I will print it for one example student. What I am writing? Param, comma, type of what? Come on. Param I am writing. Just for 1 minute, ma. You say triple double star there. I am just writing. Just writing. If you want, I will write one more also I will write it. LEN of what? Param I am writing. LEN of param I am writing. Here I am writing students. Observe it. Here I am writing. What is my code? It is replaced now. LEN of what? Param I wrote it. LEN of param. Now I will take it. This file name I will take it. This is comes under pure. Come on, what is this now? Pure keyword variable length argument. How many functions I defined, ma? Only one I defined. Only one I defined. For how many function calls? Many. First, let me show you the first one. Let me show you the first one so that I can remove the comment for other things. Execute it. PY. See students. What is printed, ma? Is it printed everything in the form of dictionary or not? Which type? What is the length? 4. 4 values are there. Very good. Come on to the point of next one. I will remove the comment. Next one I will remove the comment. Observe it. How many keyword variable length arguments? Come on, next. 3. Is the 3 one is 3 printed or not? As how many definitions you define? Only one. But how many calls I am having? Multiple calls I am having. Multiple calls. Say third one also remove. Third one also remove. See that data now. It is printed. How many? 5. Go to the next one. I am going to say here like this. Writing like this. Now here I am writing. Here I am writing. AB values. What is the dict value? 2. Go to the place. Now I am writing. Now I am writing. Remove everything now. Remove everything now. See students. What I am writing. Here it is going to be called what? M value printed. Here it is going to be what? 0 length is there. Are you getting? Understandable first of all? Now I want to print this data. I want to print this data. Here I am writing. Here star param is called. Star param is called. Come on. Keyword variable length argument. Variable length and whose type is. That's all. Whose type is dict. What is that double star says? One star can hold what values? And left and last blue shirt sleeping. Stand up. Stand up. Blue shirt. Yes. Sleeping now? Huh? Not sleeping. Sit down. You are very good. Not sleeping. Double star says what? I am seeing that you are sleeping and you are saying for a very small thing also sleeping. Double star says what? One star can hold what? Don't sleep. Listen please. Double star. One star says what? Come on. Key. Another star says what? Double star type is dict type. Are you following me? Yes. Take care. Take care. Now I am going to introduce. This is printed here. Param type and everything is done. Same example. Going to another type. Others here. Go to the same mechanism. I want to print the data in something different. Look at that. Print of, say here, star of 50. Now I am printing the data. Shall I print the data? For, come on, key comma value pair in param dot items. Already you know param is which type? Dictionary. Dictionary. Print of what? Backslash T. And I am writing something like that. Dot format of K comma V. First one is coming for example. You take this example here. You take this example here. This line like this. This line like this you take. K comma V. First these many things are coming to where? Star param. Star param dot items. What is the key comma value pair here? ENO 10. E name like this. ENO. What is the value printed? 10. E name is printed like this. Sal is equal to printed the value. DS is equal to value printed. Are you following? Param is called what? Dictionary type. Items is a function in the dictionary. I already told you the type of example. If you don't remember, we can't do anything else. So, coming to the example, now execute students. Go to the place. Once you see pure keyword argument example 2.py. Save this. Try to observe it. Run this code. Py. Earlier I printed what? Raw format. Now it is printed ENO and then value etc. printed or not. Next. One more you remove the comment students. One more thing you remove. You remove one more thing, comment students. Remember this. Execute now. You see next SN was also printed or not? Next, you go to the next value. Next one you print it. Like this you see. Next one also you see. Is it printed teacher details or not? Next you print another one. A and B value also, rest of them you print. Now you see what happens. Say that this classes you see. What is happening here? First one, second one, third one, fourth, next one, next one. After that nothing is printed. Why? Empty that is. Are you following? This is what? How we are using the explanation called what? Single function definition for a family of similar function call with a variable length, keyword variable length values. What is the function we are taking? Single function with what? Double star param. Double star. So double star param in Python, entire Python is called which type? Dict type. Single star param is called what? Tuple type. So how many formal parameters you learned so far in my class? Number 1, positional parameters, default parameters, variable keyword parameters, variable length parameters. Good. Int SNO is what? Positional. SNO is called? SNO is equal to 10. SNO is equal to 10 in function call. Keyword. Star SNO. Variable length. Star SNO. That's all. And by looking at the function, you can easily understand. No student is aware of that. So let us carefully about it. We understand the mechanism of this. Can I move forward? Yes. Up to this is clear? Who is that? Sai Teja is asking, sir, items. He is asking items. He is asking items. He must write imposition for 1000 times. So items is a function present in where? Dictionary. I already told you. If you don't understand, you will get that type of errors. So you don't understand, and total subject is not understanding only. Because it's not our problem. We explained everything perfectly. Coming to the point of it. Next I'm going to move forward. So Satish, can we also represent data in star param? Can we use star param here? It's a blunder. We have to use what? Star param. Why star param? Because it is called keyword value. Keyword value is called what? It is called what? Dict type. So subject to understand properly, my dear students. So irrelevant answers, irrelevant expectations, I am not going to respond for it. Please understand. Now I want to move to the further. Shall I move to the further? Right. Now I am going to enter into the next example I am going to introduce. Look at that. I will take only file name, students. Only file name I will take it. Now I am going to write it. One small question. Look at that. What is that question is? Write a program, pure variable argument example 3.py. Pure variable argument example 3.py. Now I am writing program for calculating sum of or calculating or program for finding sum of different question, you understand, different subject marks secured by different subjects marks secured by different students who are studying in different classes studying in different classes. Very good example. Understand? 10th class student having different subjects or not? Intermediate student having what? Different subjects. BTech student, different subjects. 6th class student, different subjects. Different total marks will come. First of all, did you understand this question? Different subjects, different classes. 3 subjects, 4 subjects, 6 subjects, 8 subjects, 9 subjects, 1 subject. What is this concept is called? Is it a positional? No. Is it a variable length? No. It is called what? Keyword variable length. Why? Different subject names, different secured marks. So let us go to the main program once. Main program once. Careful. Main program once I will take it. I am writing there. Find total marks. Find total marks. I am saying that 111, I am writing here Johar. So I am writing Johar, comma, who is studying 10th class, roll number I am taking, name of the student I am taking, roll number I am taking. Telugu marks 50, Hindi marks is called 80, English marks is equal to 88. Next is called what 88. Next is called what? 88. Next, I will write it. Listen. You understand the subject. You don't come to that. Next is called what? Maths marks is equal to 99. Next is called what Science marks. Science marks is equal to something 88. Social studies marks is equal to 66. This is the subject. So I will write in same thing. SCI I will write it. SCI, SOC, because I want to put it in the same line, because you will get confused. This is called what? What did you understand? First you understand this is called which data? Positional. Next one is what? How do you know that these are positional? Because there is no keyword argument. Nothing is there. First we are writing what? Positional argument. Even though I use keyword arguments, first I need to write what? Yes, I will write it. DEF. What is my function name? Find the total marks. Carefully try to understand. There is a chance of getting difficulty because I will use in the same program. Variable length I will use. Default I will use. Everything I will mix it. If you are unable to come out of it, I want to enjoy that how you will doing faulties inside the function definition. So, find the total marks. What I am writing? SNO, comma what? S name, comma, CLS, comma, TEL. Next is called what? Hindi. Maths, I don't want to write. If we go on writing, multiple definitions I have to write it. What I am writing? Star, SUB marks I am writing. Subjects marks. Subs marks I want to write it. What is this star called? Star sub marks is called what? Keyword variable length parameter, which will hold subject names as well as marks in the form of dictionary. Can I print it? Yes, sir. Go to that. I will print it. See students. I'll write it. Dot 50. Now I am printing. Print. What is that? Marks memo. I am just writing like. Right. Take care and understand this part of it. Now I am writing. Print of student number colon /t student name I am writing dot format of SNO comma name. I am printing there immediately. Subjects and marks also I want to print. Come on, print for subject comma what? Something like marks. I will write what? Marks. In where? SUB subs marks dot items. Dot what? Items. Items is what? Function in the dictionary. If you don't remember, we can't do anything else. /t subjects are printed. /t marks are printed. Format of subject comma what? Marks are printed. Total marks also I want to print students. How do you print the total marks, ma? TOT marks is equal to 0. You say here, I say, tell me, TOT marks is equal to TOT marks plus marks. TOT is equal to what? Marks. I will write here marks. Marks I will write. So, coming to the point of it, marks I will write it. Are you following? So, come out of that, say what here, one small line you write, ma. That is for closing part. Print of what? Tell me. Total marks. Total marks. I am writing here. Total marks. I am writing here. Dot format of. Dot format of. TOT marks. TOT marks. Are you okay? So, try to see this. For one student, I am printing students. Line number 12, what is the problem, ma? TOT, okay. TOT marks, okay. So, for one person only, I wrote it like that. Ma? 14th line, okay. What is the problem? Spelling mistake, okay. Are you practicing the coding? Not practicing, I understand. So, okay, of course, you are looking for correct spelling mistake. Even I don't correct it also, no problem. So, see that students, student number, student name is coming, and then marks are coming, right or not? So, marks are coming. So, want to show you something more clear here. I want to print like this. So, here you observe it. Now, observe it. So, student number, something like number is coming, name is coming. If you are interested to print something more clearly, to print in the same line or different lines you want to print, no problem. You write \n, you write \n, and you write \t. After \n, you say \t. You can expect in the same line. Are you able to understand? What is the second line? \n. And this space is called what? \t. Total data, total marks coming or not? Understand? Go to, this is called one scenario. Similarly, I am going for next one. Next one I am going for is equal to 2 to 2. Here I am writing. Name of the student is called what you know, Rosam, who is an intermediate student. Who is an intermediate student having only 3 subjects. Maths I will take it. Mathematics I will take it. Some marks I am writing 75. Physics I am writing is equal to some 58 I am writing. Chemistry I am writing is equal to 57 I am writing. Like this. What did you understand with this? Come on, quickly try to get it, ma. So 2 to 2 is going to where? 2 to 2 is going to where? SNO. Rosam is going to where? 12th class is going to where? CLS. This maths, physics, chemistry, 3 things are going to where? Right. Dictionary. Execute it. Execute it. And see 2 marks memos are coming. This is called one max memo. This is called one more thing is coming or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. So coming to the point back, now I am going to conclude my sentences. 2 different memos are coming here. One is a 10th class student, total marks came. One is an intermediate student, total marks came. What did you understand? Am I writing different functions or only one function? Only. Next, one more student I will write it. One more student I will write it. Here I am writing here. 3, 3, 3, 3 I am writing. Something like what you know. I am writing something like Bharat I am writing. Bharat I am writing. Who is called BTech student. Having what? C marks is equal to some 50. C++ is equal to some 67. Next OS is equal to OS is equal to some 77. Next DBMS is equal to 77. Next is called what you know, something like SE, software engineering subject is equal to what? 66. This is the data I am having. How many subjects you have? 5 subjects you have. Try to see that Bharat marks also coming. Total marks are like this. Are you following? Next is called what? One more student I will write it. Find total marks. I am writing 444 I am writing. And next is called what you know? Vinay I am writing. Vinay is having, is called what? Is studying what? Research is doing. And next is called what? No subjects is having. No subjects. no subjects is having. That time what is happening? Research. What I am passing? Only what? Positional arguments. Not at all passing this. What is that? Not at all passing means which dictionary? Empty dictionary. Empty dictionary does not contain what? Come on. So keys and values. See that Vinay total marks is called what? 0. So Mr. Vinay Kumar is having some doubt. We will see what is his doubt is. So we will take his doubt. If it is genuine doubt, we will continue. Otherwise, we will give imposition to him. So look at that. Sir, you said that. Only one function. Okay, only one function definition, and one function can be executed. I said the same only. One function definition, one function executed. Correct only. Correct only now. So here he did not understand where he is looking. I don't know. How many functions I defined? One function definition only, Mr. Vinay Kumar. One function definition only. One function executed only. How many function calls? Hundreds of function calls you take it. How many functions? Huh? Yes, sir, but function calls. Our concept is that only. He is not at all following that. How many function calls? Mr. Vinay Kumar, you are out of order, I think so. 100 family of what calls? We need to define what? Hundreds of definition. It is what time? This procedure is. What is the procedure recommended? One definition, many function calls. So where are you, student, wasting your time of typing by yourself? So finally you got it. So your time is wasted, my time is wasted. How many definitions? How many function calls? You think normally like this. You think normally like that. Waste of time now. 10th class student, one definition. Intermediate student, one definition. BTech student, one definition. Research student, one definition. Is it not my waste of time? But how many definitions? One definition. Is it an advantage or not? Yes. Tell me. Observe it. Now slowly coming. Is it clarity is there? Now coming to the point back. What are these SNO, SNAME, CLS? Positional. What is this is called? Keyword variable length arguments. Where I am using last of, first of, middle of. Last I am using. Variable length argument also why? Where? Last. Default argument also where? In default and variable length, which one is first? Variable. Last. Now who is the competitors now? Variable length default to decided. Who is the first? Positional. Okay, over. Next. Variable length. Next. Now today. Keyword variable length also what? Last. Who is already last in up to yesterday? Default. Today I will use default. Can I use default? Yes. Now I am going to enter. If you don't confuse, I'll move forward. Shall I? Yes. Now. Okay, let it be. In the same class I will, in the same program. All of you belongs to what? India only, right or not? Indian education system only. Now I am going to write what? So, CNT is equal to what? India. What is CNT is equal to India? Default. Alright. So I am going to say print off. What is this? \t country. Start format of what? CNT. See that? Execute it. What is that? Arguments cannot follow. Yes, which arguments? Positional is not there. Variable length not there. Keyword not there. Just arguments. Which arguments? Default arguments. Cannot follow variable keyword arguments. So this should not be written at where? Yes. It should be written where? Right. Tell me now. What are the last competitors? Variable length, default keyword. Up to last class variable length and then default. Which one we decided? First. Next. Today. Keyword variable length and default. Which one today? First. Next. Tell me how many first what? Positional. Next. My dear innocent students, keyword things will come in the function call only. Function call only. Keyword variable length will come in function calls only. Are you okay? Next first what? Positional params. Next. Variable length params. Next. Default. Next. That is an order. You will not find anywhere else. No website, no book, nothing is there. If you practice, then only you can remember. Let me start executing. Let us run this code. See that you are getting what? So, comma. 2 commas are there. 2 commas are there. See this now. Start. Who is this? Studying in where? India. Studying in where? India. Studying in where? India. Studying in where? India. Suppose. Now, go to where? Go to where? 555. 555. Are you talented to understand this subject? Talented, huh? So, Trump. Donald Trump. So, who is that? He is having something like politics is equal to, he got the marks called 40, 30 marks. Economics is equal to what? Economics marks he got what? 45. And now he is looking, he is there like that. For example, which country is now? So CNT is equal to what? USA. CNT is equal to USA. See students carefully. What is happening here? What are these two are called? What is these two are called? What is this CNT is called? Do you feel that is it a default or is this going totally as a keyword variable length? The doubt, na? Doubt. It may go to this place or it may go to this place. Right? Let us take care and try to understand. So what is happening here? Find total marks required one parameter called what? CLS. Very good. Now is what? What is this class? What is this class? Politics. Politics. So POLITICS. Politics. Why this error is coming? Why this error is coming? First three are what? Yes. Let us run this code and observe it. Now see that answer now. What is this? 555. CNT is equal to what? So politics, economics, and then use total marks like this. Are you following me? Yesterday's rule, whether you remembered or not, when we are using variable length and then default, use the default keyword as a keyword argument in the last. You will not remember that because we are called what? We don't remember also. We are the second Gajnis. So don't feel it because I say only facts, variable length arguments. You say rule number 2. This rule I will say. This rule. Rule 1 is called what? It is always last. Right or not? And what? But not multiple. You see, when we use variable length and default parameters in the function heading, we use a default parameter last. And before we use variable length parameters in function call, we should not use default parameter as a keyword argument because variable number of values are treated as what? Positional argument. I will show the example also. Example also I will show you. This is where you are lacking behind. So variable length argument example 4 or 5 I will show you. You see that, okay, maybe in the fifth example I showed you yesterday. You see that pure variable length argument example 5. You see that last one you see university is equal to what? HYD university. You see here it is there. Here it is there. Are we passing or not? But today's session you see, we cannot write CNT is equal to last we cannot write, right or not? Before only I am writing, that's why I am passing. In the keyword argument place you can write it. Suppose if I write here, what is happening? If I write here, what is happening? If I write here, what is happening? You observe it. Not a problem. Observe it. Observe it. What is happening? Going to the same mechanism or not? And if you write a C and T is equal to USA, it is passing in the same order only. Yes or no? It is passing in the same order only. Go to. This is called one thing. One more thing is, I'll say 666 here, 666 here. Who is that? Who is that? Joe Biden and politics, USA. Politics is called 70. Economics is called 85. 85. Something like what, civics is equal to, some 66. You see that civics is equal to, who is also USA, is called what? 221. Where I am using that? In this place. We can also use in where? We can also use it in the last. Are you following me? This is only by practice you will get it. If such questions are coming in interview, when I take an interview, I will ask this type of questions. I don't ask what are the arguments, what are the parameters, how many types are there. These are all very simple for us. We want to say always great questions, very toughest questions we want to ask you. Are you following me? So this is called, what did you understand? Come on, see the mechanism. What did you understand? SNO, SNAME, CLS. Tell me, what is the last today? First one what? Next what? Next what? Sometimes I will pass what? Variable length also I will pass. Shall I go for variable length also? Yes. Up to here is okay. Online students, are you comfortable, my dear students? So, coming to the point of it. Are you able to follow me now up to here? Yes. Now I am going to enter into. So, next I am going to enter into another continuation process. Another continuation process I want to go for it. Difficult, huh? Difficult, huh? I can say it is beginning only, I can say it is over. But I want to go for something more and more clarity. So go to the next example. Next example I want to go for it. Let us remove this area. Now I am going for another example here. Say, go to this place. One more example I will go for it. Is it understandable? Program for finding sum of different subject marks secured by different students who are studying in different classes. Which one I took it? Default I took it. Keyword arguments I took it. Where I am using last or beginning or middle or last one or many or one only. One only we need to use. One keyword variable length argument only I have to use. I cannot write star variable 1, comma, star variable 2. We should not write it. Are you following? We should not write like that. We have to write only like this. Now, go to one more example I want to go for. I don't know whether you will follow me or not. Next example, ultimate, final example. Variable argument example 4.py. Py, main program, going like this. So, having display, 111, some TR. Next is called what? 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Comma. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 1.2, comma, B is equal to 2.3. Like this I am taking. One more. First study the architecture of this data. 2, 2, 2 I am taking. 2, 2, 2 I am taking. This is called something like RS. Now I am writing here what 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50. Okay, let it be. Here I am writing P is equal to Python, and Q is equal to data science, comma, R is equal to what Django. I wrote it. What did you understand by studying? First two are called what? Positionals. These two are how many here? 4. What is this now? Variable length this is. What is this now? Keyword variable length. How many? 2. How many? What did you understand? 2 are there, 3 are there. This is called what? Keyword variable length. What is this 4 and 5 are called? Very good. Similarly, next display 333. I am writing here something like this. I am writing comma, comma. I am writing here. I am writing here. Java I am writing. Java I am writing. Something like spring I am writing. Spring I am writing. Next what I am writing? K is equal to Python I am writing. Python I am writing. Next R is equal to V is equal to AI I am writing. Next comma R is equal to something like ML I am writing. Next I am writing something like H is equal to I am writing DL I am writing. Next M is equal to I am writing something like what Tableau I am writing. Tableau I am writing. What did you understand here? Here what? 333 MC. These are called what? Positional. Here how many? How many? 2. Earlier how many? 4. Here how many? 5. Here how many? What did you understand this section of data? Variable length data. What is this section of data? That's all. And by telling this complicated example, you will become intelligent. Otherwise, there is no extra intelligence from my side. If I tell this complicated example, you will understand more and more better. I mean, without telling this example, I can say first example, you will feel very happy and you will feel more easy also. And you will tell to everybody Python is easy. Python is not easy. Who created that word? I don't know. Python is not easy. The people who don't know anything, they will feel easy. The people who knows everything, they will not say it is not easy. So, come to the point of it. Shall I move forward? Yes. Shall I write the definition now? After that, I will increase. Display, last and final student. 444. Naveen I am writing. Naveen here. Now I am writing. Naveen. Now I am writing here. What is writing? I did not write anything. What is the meaning of it? No variable length values. No keyword variable length values. Understand? Only positionals I am passing. Understand? Next I will write what? Positional arguments I will pass. I will pass variable length values. I will not pass what? Keyword variable length. Next I will pass what? Positional arguments. I will not pass what? Variable length values. I will pass what? That is subject. I will use default value also there. One by one. Slowly. First dose, second dose, booster dose. Like that. Come to that. Which dose you want? Booster, direct. Booster giving means you will boost it. Problem will come. Come on, fast. First dose. What is this now? Display. First dose already over. Last Monday only I started functions. Do you remember that? Last Monday, first dose is over. This is second. Now second and third we are entering. Come on, fast. What is this now? Some ID, comma, what? Some name I am taking. Next what? Star vals. Star what? Comma. Star KWDS. Star KWDS. First of all, understand that parameters. ID and name are called what? And don't come and ask me, sir, they are in different color. What is the meaning? Nothing is there. Because you will get a lot of doubt. Lenipon doubt manake vastayi. So, what is this first one? ID. If you want, you can write SID and S name. You can write that. You don't go about it. I can write here int and float also, no problem. Okay, but meaningful. Star val star called star KWDs are called. Very good. Now I am going to write it. Print student. I will write for your understanding purpose. One small line I am writing. Come on, print. Come on, print. Here I will write just for your understanding purpose. Valves, type of what? Valves. Okay. Print KWDS, comma, type of KWDS, comma, LN of what? Valves. And next is called what, ma? LN of KWDS. Preliminary information I am printing. Okay. Okay. Start. Can I keep comment one by one or all at once also? So all at once no, because you are chocolate students. So go to that one by one, slowly. Because if they ask the doubts after my explanation, you will get tension for it. PY, see that answer. What is the first one? Variable length values. What is this now? Keyword variable length values. So, are you getting? This is called what? Variable length values is equal to comma, comma. I wrote it. Next I will write what? Keyword, keyword, keyword. Variable length is equal to those kind of things. Comma. You want to print what also? ID, ID comma what? Name also you want, you can print it. Not an issue. Execute it. Execute it, students. Variable length values are coming or not? Keyword variable length values are coming or not? Shall I go to next one? Remove the comment for second one. Observe it. Observe it. See students. First one is coming or not? Second one, first one coming. Second one also came or not? How many values? 5. Earlier how many? 4. How many? 4. Now it is how many? Right. Earlier dict is how many? Now dict is how many? 3. Remove the another one. Another third function call. Fourth function call also I am removing. See, I am getting from here. This is how many? 2. 4 variable length, 2 keyword. Here 5 variable length, 3 dictionary. Next 2 variable length, 5 dictionary. 0 variable length, 0 keyword variable length. Last one. Naveen. Naveen did not take any value now. Yes. Display. Display. I say 555, comma. Praveen I will say. I'll say Praveen, comma what? 1.2, comma 2.3, etc. I took it. Now you execute. What is that now? Praveen value how many here? Variable length 2. What is this now? Come on. Keyword variable length is 0. Are you following or bouncing? Those who are bouncing, not at all useful. Next I am going to take it. Display 666. Next is called what you know? Some name is called Suresh. Now I am writing Suresh. Now I am writing A is equal to 100. B is equal to something like a 10th class. Now C is equal to something like what? True. I am passing true. Any type of values you can pass it. Execute it. Variable length is called 0. Keyword variable length is equal to 3. Are you following? So this is complete data I passed it. Complete data I passed it. Understand or not? I will write it here today. What? Default I will write it. Can I write default? Pass it. Pass it. I will write course is equal to course. CRS is equal to Python I am writing. For example, Python PROZ. First of all, is it a correct placement or wrong placement? Very good. So already you have seen it. So I should not write it. You are understanding everybody. Okay. Cut it. Next, where should I write it? Can I write before this vowels? Can I write before vowels? No. Already you have seen it. Very good. Where should I write it? After variable length and before. That's all. Print of what is this? Course for all. Course for is equal to comma what? CRS. CRS. Execute it. Course for all Python. Course for all Python programming. Course for all Python programming. Course for all Python programming. Easy or difficult? Easy. Coming to the common syntax now. Tell me the common syntax. Everybody tell me. Come on, fast students. DEF. What name? Function name. List of positional params. Positional. Okay, next. Variable length params. Variable len params. Next. Default params. Default params. Next. Keyword. That's all. Keyword variable length params. This is a complete story of the function. Complete syntax of the function. This I will show you after a few minutes. First of all, I hope you are understanding how the function arguments are. Is it understandable? Just let me open arguments and functions once you see that level of answer you see and you understand today. Come on, ma, read out. Based on passing the values of arguments from function call to formal parameters of function heading, arguments are classified into 5 types. After completion of everything, we are understanding passing the data from where function call to what? Function definition. How many ways? Positionals, default way, keyword way, variable length way, keyword variable length. These many ways are there to transmit the data. This is known as what? Message passing. What is this mechanism called? Very, very important when you go to an interviews. Okay. So, coming to the point back to the concept called what? Keyword variable length I want to show you. Keyword variable length I want to bring it once to students. Instead of typing that entire thing, I'll go to the functions here. I'll bring it. Keyword variable length here once. Keyword variable length I will bring it. Go to this place here. Now I'm going to say 6 p.m. I will take it here functions. Under that I will paste my data. Observe it, read out, start the discussion. When we have family of multiple function calls with a keyword variable number of values or arguments, then with a normal Python programming, we must define multiple function definitions. Silent. Don't participate in reading competition. Understand. When you read, send it to the brain. I will read out, you listen. When we have family of multiple function calls with what? Keyword variable number of values. With a normal Python programming, we must define multiple function definition. Sir, where you explained, sir? You see. Definition, call. Definition, function call. Definition, function call. Definition, function call. Is it not a waste of time and not recommended? Yes, that is the point. Only just reading like a story, no. You have to understand. This process leads to more development time. To overcome this process, we must use the concept of keyword variable length parameters. How to use it? Now I am saying to implement. Implement means bring into action. To implement keyword variable length parameters concept, we must define single function definition which takes formal parameter preceded with a symbol called double asterisk, star param, and the formal parameter with a double asterisk symbol is called keyword variable length parameters, and whose purpose is to hold or store any number of key comma value pair coming from similar function calls and whose type is class dict. Class, understand? Single star param is called, double star param is called, why double star? One star is called keys, another star is called value. Whose type is what? Dict. Understand? Well, syntax ma? Syntax for function definition with keyword variable length argument. DEF, function name, list of formal parameters, star param. There is here star param is called keyword variable length parameter and it can hold any number of keyword argument values or keyword variable number of argument values, and whose type is dict. Whose type is? Good. Rule is there, my dear student. Rule. The star param must be always written the last part of function heading, and it must be only one, but not multiple. See, final syntax for defining the function. Final syntax for defining the function. Already you know, na? First one, next one, next one, next one. That's all. Where is the keyword is there? Keyword things will not come in that. Keyword things will not come under that. Keyword things will come in where? Function calls it will come. Positional params only will be treated as a keyword arguments. In function calls it will come. Understand or not? As this is called what? Mechanism of what? Mechanism of types of arguments and parameters. Easy or difficult? Easy. Once I will just open types of arguments and parameters. Arguments and parameters once I will open, and you can read out once. What is that? In case of this, where is this? Keyword parameter. Okay, this is not the case. I will go for, already discussed it, types of arguments and parameters. Here I am having. So parameters are used in where two types. One is formal parameters, and how many formal parameters you have seen? Positionals, default, variable length, keyword variable length. Those many formal parameters are there. Local variables are only one type. That is only processing logic only we are using. Arguments are used in where? How many arguments you have seen? 5 varieties you have seen already. Right or not? Yes. Online students, I hope you are understanding this mechanism. So this is comes under what mechanism? This one. What is this examples called? What is this examples? All of them are comes under types of arguments and parameters. Last technique is arguments. Clear? After listening everything, mind is becoming scrolling and squeezing and moving like a mixture, keeping apple juice, everything like put a switch, becoming like that, or understanding? Clarity is there. Right. After this, look at students. I'll open my index of the functions. See that. Type, parameters and arguments. Types of arguments, all types. Programming examples we have seen or not? Tomorrow class, I'll go for what? Global variables, local variables, global keyword, global function and corresponding examples. This is called our tomorrow's agenda. 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 Spell out once, last students. So, you are all very studious. So, want to enjoy always in the class. We'll go for what? Global variables and local variables. So, don't miss tomorrow class, students. I'll go for this. So, time is also over. 7:36. I'll speak to online students. Don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you. Take care.